I couldn't help but do a time lapse this morning because there were so many birds, like a feeding frenzy here this morning. So I hope you can capture and see a few of the friends I have out there today. Now if you look very carefully, you'll see the beautiful pale blue under the dove's wings when they fly. This is something I've been really waiting to capture. So I hope you enjoy the clip. I have a little B-roll here of Cardinal and I call him Carl, and his mate is over there on the bird feeder gobbling down some fresh food that I put out this morning. Thanks all you donors out there. My birds are loving it. Oh, and I get some squirrels too. This guy's scolding me because I'm going to put a baffle on the bird feeder. Listen to this. He's really mad. Hey, Buster. I think you'll agree that the early morning light was just perfect to photograph the birds this morning. That thump that you just heard was a big blue jay that had landed on my camera mounting tube.